welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to weight gain, some people tend to gain weight in their lower half while some people tend to gain weight in the stomach area. Now gaining weight in the stomach area can be very problematic. The weight you gain in the stomach area are all fat, and this is a very stubborn fat known as visceral fat. Now visceral fat in the stomach area surround all your vital organs, and when there's excess fat, your organs does not work as it should, so making the fat in the belly area not healthy at all. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share a cream that can help you to get rid of belly fat. However, this cream you definitely will have to move and groove to lose the belly fat. You can apply it on your skin, walk around the house with it, or you can apply it on the skin just before you work out. I suggest you apply this cream using a serum wrap or one of those belly buster or even a tight gurgle. So if you're looking for a cream that's gonna speed up and loosen up that visceral fat very fast, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips and how best to use this for fast result. For this recipe, you're going to need a blender since we are going to be blending. Now our first ingredient is rubbing alcohol, and here I have the wintergreen. However, you can use any type of alcohol. I'm using a 70%, but lower percentage is also good. How it works on the skin is that it's gonna help for faster sweating. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of the rubbing alcohol, pouring this in the blender, and now we're moving to our second ingredient, which is a vapor rub. You can use any kind of a vapor rub. We're using the vapor rub for the camphor property. Vapor rub, when mixed with the alcohol, is gonna help your body to sweat and help to melt the belly fat. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of our vapor rub, pour this in our blender along with the alcohol. And now we're moving on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is a petroleum jelly, and petroleum jelly is used to moisturize the skin. Coming from the strong alcohol and camphor from the vapor rub, the petroleum jelly is basically going to help to neutralize it for it to be a little more skin friendly. And it also helps to get rid of the excess water when mixed with the alcohol and the vapor rub. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the petroleum jelly, adding it to the blender. So here in the blender I have petroleum jelly, alcohol, and Vicks vapor rub. So now we're moving for our final ingredient, and this is a coconut oil. Coconut oil will help to soften the skin, hydrates the skin, and it will also help to neutralize the rubbing alcohol and the camphor. So let's pour about a teaspoon of the coconut oil in the blender. So here in our blender, we have 4 ingredients. We have some rubbing alcohol. We also have some vapor rub. We have petroleum jelly, and we have coconut oil. And now we are going to blend all of this together, and we are going to blend to a cream. Now this is going to take a while to blend, so be patient with it. Now there's another way that you can choose to mix this if you do not have a blender. Just melt the vapor rub and the Vaseline together, and when it is melted, then you take it off. You add the coconut oil and the alcohol, and then you whisk it, and it's gonna come out as creamy as if you use the blender. So continue to blend until your remedy look very creamy, which is gonna take about a minute or 2 depending on the power of your blender. Now once this is done, we are gonna scoop it out. Take a look at what it looks like just after blending. And now that this is done, I'm going to store mine in a small jar, and you can go ahead and you can do the same. You can even choose to store it in a bottle with a pump. What you need is easy extraction. This is not going to get hard. It's going to stay creamy and jelly-like. So make sure that you store it in something that you can get it out easily. Now let's fill our bottle up. And now guys, take a look at our belly fat cream. You can choose to add a little bit of essential oil if you're keen on big fragrance. Now store this on your countertop, and the way you're going to use this is just before you work out, you are going to apply this on your stomach area. You do not need a lot. A little goes a long way. You can choose to warm it in your hands before you apply it on your skin. Massage it on the skin, and then you're going to take some saran wrap. You're going to wrap your stomach, and then you're going to go work out. If you are not working out, wrap your stomach and walk around with it in the house all day. It's going to get very, very warm on the skin. Not to worry, this is how it works. Once you get very warm, then you're going to start to sweat. This is how it's going to help to melt the belly fat. Now, this is safe to use every day, and rinse off after you finish working out, or when you finish walking around the house. If you're walking around the house with it, leave it on for at least 5 hours or so. However, if you work out with it, then you can just rinse off as soon as you're done working out. So whatever you do, guys, use this remedy. If you have anything that's shapewear or anything like that, you can put it on when you use this cream. So go ahead, give it a go, and you're on your way to a flatter stomach. If you're struggling with belly fat, you can actually join my 30 days weight loss challenge. Look in the description box below. You're gonna see the link. Just click on the link and watch the videos or join us for our live presentation. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, guys. And guess what? If you have not yet subscribed, don't leave without subscribing. So look below, you're gonna see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, at the side of the word subscribe, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Just turn on post notification on your phone. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.